Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe in your home. I'm your biology teacher. Welcome back to Zoom online revision session. In today's class, we discuss a few questions of unit number 8, which is nutrition. Revision of the following topics will be done in today's class. Question number 15, which is about vitamins. Question number 16, which is about vitamin A. Question number 17, which is about vitamin C. And question number 18, which is about vitamin D. First, we discuss question number 15, which is about write a note on vitamins. Vitamins are basically the organic food substances found only in living things. For example, plants and animals. And the sources of vitamins we get from our diet or dietary supplements. Now the types of vitamins, there are basically two groups or types of vitamins. First one is fat soluble vitamins, while the second one is the water soluble vitamins. First we discuss about fat soluble vitamins. Our body can store fat soluble vitamins and use them whenever needed. And the storage duration of fat soluble vitamins in our body for a while, few days or up to 6 months. Now the examples of fat soluble vitamins are following. Vitamins A, D, E and K are the examples of fat soluble vitamins. Second group is water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are basically not stored in our body, and the water soluble vitamins travel through the blood streams, and whenever our body do not require the water soluble vitamins, so it comes out with urine. And there are two examples of water soluble vitamins. First one is vitamin B, while the second one is vitamin C. Our next question, question number 16, write a note on vitamin A. Vitamin A is basically a fat soluble vitamins, as we discussed, and the other name of vitamin A is retinol. It given the name of retinol because its participation in the functions of retina of eye, it basically help in the visions. So that's why the other name of vitamin A is retinol. Sources. Living things, plants and animals are the main source of vitamins A. Now what are the functions which is performed by the vitamin A? First one is role in vision, and the second one is immunity. Vitamin A play a vital role in the vision function, and it also help in the immunity of our body, help in growth and reproductions, as well as help in the bone development. Now what are the deficiency symptoms of vitamin A? High incidence of night blindness will be caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Vision problems will be caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, as well as growth retardation are also occur due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency affects skin, hair and eyes. Our next question, question number 17, is about write a note on vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water soluble vitamins, and this vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid. Sources, the sources of vitamins A may be tomatoes, strawberries, broccolis, guava, etc. are basically the sources of vitamin C that we get in our diet. Now what are the metabolic function which is performed by the vitamin C? First one is it help in the growth and repair tissue. So basically in growth and repairing of tissues is done with the help of vitamin C. As well as vitamin C is essential for the healing of wounds, and the formation of collagen and cartilage. Collagen are basically the important protein in the skin, while cartilage is the type of the connective tissue. So in the formation of collagen, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, vitamin C play a vital role. Maintenance of bones and teeth, it makes our bones and teeth stronger, and as well as vitamin C and vitamins E play important role, and it act as an antioxidants. Now what are antioxidant? Antioxidant are basically those molecules which inhibit the oxidation of other molecules. Antioxidants block some of the damage caused by the free radicals. If free radicals caused any damage in our body, so it is recovered by antioxidants. And vitamin C along with vitamin E act as an antioxidant. Now the deficiency symptoms due to the vitamin C, it affect the skin and hair, as well as it cause the gingivitis, mean bleedings of gums, inflammation will be caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Decrease wound healing, cause nose bleeding, decrease immunity, and scurvy. Scurvy is basically a disease which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Next question is about question number 18. Write a note on vitamin D. Vitamin D is basically a fat-soluble vitamin. It is present only in few foods, and it is also available as a dietary supplements. Synthesis of vitamin D. Vitamin D is basically made by the skin. Whenever the UV rays from the sunlight strike the skin, so as a result it triggers the vitamin D synthesis. Other sources of vitamin D is milk, cheese, butter, fish, etc. Now what are the metabolic function which is performed by vitamin D? First one, it help in the absorption of calcium. Vitamin D help in the absorption of calcium and helping to form and maintain the strong bones. And the second one is maintain normal level of calcium and phosphorus. Dear student, the level of calcium and phosphorus is very essential in order to make our bones stronger. So the level of calcium and phosphorus up to normal level is maintained by vitamin D. Now what are the deficiency symptoms due to the deficiency of vitamin D? Vitamin D deficiency can cause weak bone. Due to the deficiency of vitamin D, bones can become thin, brittle and soft. And it will cause bone disease. Certain bone disease arise in people having vitamin D deficiency, which is rickets in children, osteoporosis in adults, and osteomalacia in adults. Ricket is basically a disease which is caused in children due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Due to the deficiency of vitamin D, rickets will be caused in children. In this condition, bones become weak, while osteoporosis and osteomalacia is the softening of bones which is caused in adults due to the deficiency of vitamin D. And due to the soft bones, increasing the risk for friction in bones. This is all about our today revision class. Hope you understand the following questions. I will take test from these questions. Learn it properly.